Hey everyone, welcome back to the Nexorix channel. In the last video, we created your account. Now it's time to get help when you need it. Today, how to create a support ticket, step by step. Let's go. First, log into your Nexorix account. If you don't have one yet, go watch the last video, link in description. Once you're in, look at the top, click Dashboard. Now, on the left side, there's a menu bar. See that little hamburger icon? Click it. This keeps the menu open so it's always there. Super handy. Look in the menu. Click Support. Then click Raise a Ticket. Now, fill in the form. Title. Keep it short, like Login Not Working or Need API Help. Description. Explain your issue clearly. Category. Pick the right one. Technical, billing, feature request, etc. All set? Click Add Ticket. And now, your ticket is created. That's it, fam. You're now a pro at getting support on Nexorix. Pro tip. Pin that left menu. Saves you 10 seconds every time. Smash like if this helped, subscribe for more, and comment, what's your first support question? I'll reply. See you next video!